Yes, the first time Sarkodie came to Tamale, my show with Sarkodie.
Okay.
Myself and my management.
Okay.
We pay Sarkodie 120,000 Ghana cedis.
Okay. Wow.
From that day.
Okay.
And I realized my value.
Okay.
I didn't know my value.
Okay.
From that particular day, I knew my value.
Okay.
And from then, I said to myself and my team, brothers, whenever somebody needs us at the Tamale Sports Stadium,
okay,
we won't take less than 100,000 Ghana cedis.
Okay.
And that has been my charges from that 2017 up to date.
Okay. Okay.
So when my sister came to Tamale for her program,
okay,
myself and my team, we told, first of all, she didn't approach us.
Okay.
Somebody approached.
Okay.
And then we didn't know who was the person.
Okay.
So, but the person said they want to do a show with Sista A and myself.
Okay.
So my team said, oh, we take 100,000 for the program at the sports stadium.
Okay.
And then later, she called me herself.
Okay. Okay. So the initials was like an event organizer.
That was what we thought.
Okay.
Like event organizer call us. So we charge 100,000.
Okay.
Then my team told them that later she called herself.
Okay.
That, oh, the program, my brother, if you help me, because I'm very close with her.
Okay.
So when she said, okay, no problem, because artist to artist, we'll take 50,000.
Okay. Okay.
So just imagine, we remove 50% of our charges and then give a discount of 50,000.
Wow. Half of what was asked earlier.
Correct.
Okay.
And then herself and her team were giving, like, they were giving us back and front.
Okay.
Whether they will pay, they won't pay.
Okay.
They will pay, they won't pay.
Okay.
Like,
by then, a date was already fixed.
Date was already fixed.
Okay.
And time was going.
Okay.
And you know how we like you know how we do things here.
Yeah, of course.
Even though I'm the king from the north, I don't just capitalize on that anytime. I will just come and fix show and come out and do show. No,
I'm doing a show at the stadium.
No.
Oh, my fans come and have a show at the stadium.
No. We don't do
takes
things
time.
like that. It takes time.
Okay.
Timing was the main issue.
Okay.
Because it was Ramadan time.
Okay. Yes, I remember.
And Ramadan time shows in the north because majority of the people who are coming to the shows were all Muslims.
Of course.
And especially when it is small Salah.
Yeah.
Because of the Ramadan.
Yeah.
Like Saturday shows, people don't really show up because
of course
they just finish fasting.
You don't want to involve in anything.
You see that vibe?
Yeah.
So we were even trying to tell them that we should add some days.
Okay.
So that we like myself and my team and her team, we can promote it well.
Okay.
So that the show will be successful.
Okay.
But it looks like
you gave that advice.
Oh yeah, we did that.
Okay.
And it looks like they already have their dates and we can change what.
Okay. After all, it was her show.
After all, it was her show.
Okay.
And I realized that even if I collect 150,000 for that 1 week promotion.
Okay.
And the show will finish, we won't get a successful show.
Okay.
And my name will be attached to it. It is going to dent my brand.
Okay.
And so that was why I stepped back.
Okay.
I really wanted to help her.
Okay. So it got to a point that it wasn't about the money again.
No, not at all.
It was about the time.
Yes.
So how long was it? Was it in a week or?
It was like a week.
A week to the show.
A week to the show.
By then they were ready to pay the 50,000.
Assets, they will pay the 50,000.
Okay. By then you were looking at the magic you are going to do.
The magic I'm going to do within the week.
Okay.
And looking at the timing too.
Okay. But then even if you had taken the 50,000 and wanted to push it back onto the show, you wouldn't have still gotten a successful show.
You know Tamale now, my brother.
Okay.
You know Tamale, I don't need to tell you.
Yeah.
The timing is the most important thing.
Very.
Like when you are doing the show, and then the time period you are going to promote the event.
Okay, yeah, sure.
We don't just sleep, wake up and say we want to do show at sports stadium.
Maybe they are looking at you guys Fancy is having a show at the stadium and they see large numbers.
No.
So they think that
we put in work.
Okay.
Put in work. Not only me, myself and my team. Like a lot of work will come through before we have a successful show.
Okay.
You understand? Every talent still need promotion. We all know that.
Of course. Yeah.
So that was just the issue.
But people make